Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you got a bad clutch disc for your manual transmission and it's time to replace it? What I have here is a clutch disc and you're going to find this on a manual transmission. And this clutch disc is going to be fitted between the flywheel and the pressure plate. You see the spring right here? That spring, it has a purpose. And the purpose of the spring is to help dampen the vibration and shock when the clutch is engaged. When that clutch disc is wearing out, it is important to replace it as soon as possible. Because if you don't replace it and that clutch disc is completely worn out, it can cause damage to the pressure plate and to the flywheel. And of course, that is going to cost you more money now because now you got more parts to replace. How do you know you have a worn clutch disc? And the first sign, it is going to be noise. When that clutch disc is worn out, you're going to hear some sort of noise. This noise is going to be caused by worn friction material on the clutch disc, or you might hear noise coming from the spring. It's possible the spring might be broken. And also, if the spline on the clutch disc is worn out, it is going to cause alignment issue and you're going to hear noise as well. The next sign of a worn clutch disc is going to be slipping and weak acceleration. When that clutch disc is worn out or completely worn out, you're going to notice that the vehicle is not going to pick up speed and you're going to notice the RPM is jumping as well. You might notice the slipping might occur more often, especially when driving uphill or when towing something such as a trailer. The next time it is time to replace the clutch disc, it is going to be burning smell. When the friction material is completely worn out, it is going to slip against the flywheel and the pressure plate, and this will cause a burning smell. And sometimes you might notice smoke coming out of the manual transmission area, especially when the clutch disc material is completely worn out or it is broken off. If that clutch disc is completely worn out, you're going to have a very difficult time shifting gear. And also, you might feel vibration in the clutch pedal, or the clutch pedal might feel stiff when pressing on it. The next sign it is time to replace the clutch disc, it is going to be the clutch is not releasing properly. For example, if the clutch disc is warped or the clutch disc is completely worn out and it is frozen or stuck to the pressure plate or flywheel, it can cause the clutch to not release properly. What causes the clutch disc to fail? And of course, the number one reason is going to be either completely worn out friction material or broken friction material. And the next reason it is going to be broken spring or extremely weak springs. The next reason is going to be oil contamination. If the oil seal becomes bad, it can start leaking oil and it can get all over on the clutch disc and it can cause it to fail prematurely. And of course, if the flywheel or the pressure plate is scored, it can cause the clutch disc to also become scored as well. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.